O3, still on the service team. O3 on the serve, still Diego Cruto. Tulog is running attack. And still Jopay Lim or Jipay. And still Jipay Lim. Lamang na po ang legislative. Lamang na po ng isa. Ang Team Legis. Kapitbayan. Almost! Ayan na! 22-20. Parang 7. Kung natin naman yata. Grabe, inako. 7 points. Na straight points. Audrey Diniega, Jopay Lim, nag-untugan. Audrey, Roas, and the ball. Attack, another non-over by Salagupang. Again and again. Last 2 points. Ayan, pag-class. Relax pa rin ang coach ng Legis. Dulon is attack! Ayan, inside by Dulon. Ayun na. Pwede pa yan. Last 2 pa yan. Ayun, coach D, nangyari. Nahuli. Si coach D. It's Salagupang now. And Miss Ruby Joyce atake. And still, Batukan over by Cruto. Still, Audrey, Jopay Lim. But still is good. Cruto is over. Chance won by the Legis. Kapitbayan. Here comes Norical. Still, Salagupang. Miss Dulon. Legis. Ayan, ganda ng laban. Akalain mo. Come from behind. Come from behind. Ang Legis. Oh, wow. It's 23-20.